trying out the new lens that I just bought. Also fixed out the mic, trying to get better audio for you guys, better quality content. And I don't know if you guys can tell, this is a 12mm lens from Rokinon, so it's a little bit of a wider angle. I'm hoping this will add some quality to the channel, give you guys some better content, and just more of a view of what's going on around. I feel like that 16mm that I did have was not doing justice, so I bought this lens. The only downside with this lens, it's a manual focus lens, and that's something that I got to get comfortable with. So keep in mind, guys, if there are moments that you see that are not in focus, I apologize. My camera doesn't have a flip screen where I can see what I'm looking at. I'm literally just guesstimating that you see me and the area around me, and I'm pretty sure because it's a wide angle lens, but I don't know if I'm in focus. So in order to do so, I've kind of set some points where I believe are the best points to switch to whenever I face it this way or face it the opposite way. I probably won't switch fast enough, but I'm gonna get used to it hopefully in a while, and then everything will just be second nature. But today, if you guys already can tell from the title, we're gonna go over to John's house, Ubeymade, my AeroKit maker, and revisit the top canard. I don't know if we're gonna do the rest. May add a few things. We'll see how the day goes with that. But just got off work, gonna head there. This is probably gonna be a super short vlog. And then it is Thursday, at least today as I'm filming, so that means another SDXGens meetup. So we'll see if I take out the camera to that as well. I'm just really trying to go around and try out this new lens and just see how I feel. There's a lot of things that I had to change and get used to, so I'm hoping that this helps with the content. Other than that, it's already 2:46. We got to be at Ube's at like 3:30 to 4, and I'm gonna be sitting in traffic, so we got to hurry up and get there. Just realized I have no gas. I have like I'm like at 25% of a tank right now. I'm hoping we can make it. I highly doubt it, but I really don't want to stop. Okay, so I lied. We couldn't make it. There's no way. I saw this gas station as I was just driving by, and I just said forget it. Might as well just pump gas, not worry about it later, get a full tank. So that's what we are doing. This is what I mean about the whole focus thing, man. This is like, there we go. Now I'm in focus, aren't I? See, because like if I adjust, yeah, like you guys lose focus. So there's like a sweet spot. Just get the fun. Long drive. It's already like 4. I can't even read my own watch. 4:33, and we're finally here at Ube's. About to revisit these top canards here and fix this up because I'm not really too happy with it. Oh, you leaving? Yeah. All right, man. It's a pleasure meeting you. All right. You guys remember this? I don't even know if you guys remember seeing this. So let's see and tell you guys about the focus.
Yeah, that's pretty different the last time I seen it.
Yeah, man. No, seriously. I see that you added these stickers too. I mean, I think I saw it at Spocom, and this was like a nice additive. Like I said, we're gonna revisit this, and I told myself I wasn't gonna revisit aesthetics until next year, but I just said fuck it. I couldn't wait. I just couldn't, man. So it took a while. Here's the Ubeymade Evo, if you guys are all curious. We'll get a few shots of this getting trimmed. And then we're going to go ahead and revisit the rear today too. Not Voltex. This is Boltex. Alright, gang gang. Alright, so I haven't picked you guys up in a minute. But took off the top canard, and he's working on it right now. Doing a few revisions and trims, and we're figuring this out. If you guys are curious on how the SI looks without the top canard, you guys can all go ahead and comment below your opinion. Let's get like different angles. Let's get like over here. So I'm not really digging it just because maybe I've always seen the top canard on this car, but I definitely have to put the top one on.
Yeah, it looks pretty boring, dude.
Yeah, you know, that's what makes this car, you know?
It's good at the same time. I know somebody's gonna want.
By the way, if you guys don't already know, This guy actually started his own YouTube channel. So if you're following me and you love the AeroKit and you're interested in seeing how he makes this stuff, and also just to see this beauty right here, make sure to follow him. Bam, Ubeymade right here. He's gonna make some fire content, so you better be following that stuff, seriously. And on top of that, you're gonna get exclusive footage of Aero making progress and Evo progress. Notice it's not in focus, dang it.
That's a really important line. I'm just kind of going to cut it, so hopefully it comes out good.
I think it's gonna come out good. I believe in it.
Right.
You know, we're trimming it down. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, you got some balls, whatever. Alright. What am I cut on? I feel like I'm cut on something. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Might need to change that a little bit. We can actually make this skinnier maybe, but we'll see.
We'll test it out. We'll test it out.
That actually looks pretty good, other than this little divot.
Yeah, we can fix that. Yeah, actually, I like that. It's very subtle now. It's not too much, you know what I mean?
It completely changed the entire car. It looks cool though, because it follows this, it follows that.
Oh, I like it.
Ooh, it matches the front of the other one, so that's great.
Wow, I can see the grill now. I can see the styling piece. I couldn't see that before. Wow. What a difference. You know what? Fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna, you know, like how I rock one fog light, just rock one top canard.
You got two different sides.
Exactly.
Two photos.
It really represents who I am, you know?
Two different cars.
You saw that? Somebody thought I had two cars.
I did.
Yeah. I was like, bro, I only got one SI, guys. I don't have that kind of money. I can only afford one.
People think this is like a legit full-blown shop that I run, and it's my garage.
Yeah, it's his garage, guys. This is it right here. This is the business. Hey, but he does some magic work. Again, guys, don't forget to follow him on Instagram. Support the fam, man. He's made this awesome AeroKit that you guys all love. So make sure to check him out on YouTube. He's really trying to grind. He is new, so don't judge him. All right. He just got a new camera. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it?
It is charging in the back.
Charging in.
Stack of trash.
All right, on the stack of trash. I don't know. All I see is trash in here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just playing. Well, oh, here it is. Here it is. Hey! So we just got a GoPro, guys. GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm telling you guys. So after you saw that one vlog that I did with it, it is really good for vlogging. High quality, has stabilization. Check it out. And this guy is about to step up his content. Let's pop that up again. You gotta follow this guy. Come on. See
Y'all not ready.
Yeah, you're not ready for this. It's about to be fire content.
Oh, he's here. Look at that. And he's getting followed by the conversation.
I don't think you're gonna be able to fit in, brother. Hey, you want to see an SI with no AeroKit? Hey, Fujiwara Tofu Shop.
Did you bring my food? I just play.
Let's bring little Brian to bring it.
Hey, what's up, brother?
So, dude.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Yaku. Good to meet you.
Oh, you guys haven't met each other, huh?
Yeah.
I thought you guys did. My bad, my bad.
I'm slowly meeting all you guys. Slowly chilling. Yeah, dude.
You just put in the PRL intake too, huh?
Yeah, I returned my Flex kit to Axion. I'm gonna get the TSP one instead, because the Axion wants me to cut open my wires and my fuel line. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So
A little extra.
I feel you, bro. I feel you. Yeah, I know. A lot of people been wanting your AeroKit side skirts for the coupes, man.
Really?
I get DMs all the time, bro. I'm like, you gotta hit him up. You gotta hit him up. This is the guy.
I'm about
This is
to
the
get
guy.
it measured up, and just hit me up if you guys need one.
Yeah, for any of you coupes, this is why this is here. He's getting measurements right now, so if you're ready for a side skirt, right here, guys. You know, Instagram, YouTube, one more time. All right, guys, is this in focus? See, this is me trying to figure it out.
Is that a K-tuner license plate?
What? This is Honda. I don't rock K-tuner. Still love K-tuner though. Okay, I'm not trying to diss it, but I rock Honda. But so obviously the one on the right is the old Canard, and the one on the left is the new revised version. Actually, we're still revising it, but you can kind of see the similarities and differences within them. You guys go ahead, comment below your opinion. It really doesn't matter because it's going to be trimmed anyways, but I still would love to know what you guys think. There's that. You guys different angles.
Regretting gluing the hair back on.
I don't even think they can hear you with the microphone this far forward.
Sorry. Subtitles.
So what he said is that it's like shaving your head and then regretting it afterwards. I don't think I regret it. I think I'm happy with this decision. I just got to get used to it. I know we all do. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad at all. So there's the old one. There's a new one. Still going to be trimmed a little bit, but just slight. Yeah. All right, it's done, guys. We're finished. Kind of just jumped off too quick, but here we go.
Oh my God! Look at that car.
Wow. Here you guys go. Finished product. What do you guys think?
Jeez.
Oh my gosh. What do you guys think, honestly? I hope I didn't take away really much from it. I still want to give you guys that unique. I think it actually blends a lot better. But you guys go ahead. You guys let me know what you guys think.
Is it Chevy Cruze?
Get out of here. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I feel like it just blends a lot better. We're trying to complement all the lines, so especially this one with the bottom splitter, and then got the sides to match all together. So again, give me your guys' vote. If you guys do kind of miss the old setup, well, I mean, there's no really reverting back unless we make another one, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't think he wants to do that.
Money makes anything happen.
Just throw it.
Money can make everything happen. Not that I care about money that much.
Let me know what you guys think. That is the new setup now. You guys are going to start seeing a change in photos with that. Yeah, I think it complements it really nicely. I think it definitely gives it a better feel, and it's not as bulky. So just give me your guys' honest opinion. We're done. This man's needs to go attend to his wife. So
is that K-tuner?
Alright, so I forgot to end today's video, but I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please tell me if you guys actually like the new quality, the new lens, the new mic, everything. I'm trying to make sure that the content is also upgraded for you guys, not just the car. So I really appreciate you guys, all the support you guys give me. You guys are awesome and motivating as well. This is the main reason why I do all the videos, is because you guys keep giving me that motivation to just keep driving. So really, thank you guys. If you guys can go ahead and please show that same support back to Ube. He is starting a channel, and I don't want to discourage him. It is definitely a rough field when you're just trying to start YouTube, and you're definitely going to learn along the way. So be kind to him. Go ahead and follow him. Help the brother out. He is definitely going to be posting a lot around his aero kits and everything, and how he makes them and all that. So make sure you guys follow him. Thank you guys. Keep grinding. Stay humble. And as always, yeah, that.